Hey there, this is Lauren from FuturesTradingCompany.net, and this is a recap of our morning trades for December 9th. December 19th, 2011. I got to get on the right day on the calendar here. Tough trading today. Uh, we took three trades. We were 2 for 1, and I'll show you the trades we did take. My bias at the open was definitely to look for a long trade. The market was in a slight uptrend. 3 out of 4 of our trend indicators were up, so I was looking to take trades on in both directions. And so in the morning, I'll scroll over here. As you can see, actually, price got into a little bit of a chop zone here, but had been moving up overnight. Market opened. Right here, 6:30. Had to move up. Nice little retracement. Would have liked to have seen the retracement a little bit deeper toward our 89 exponential moving average, but it didn't. We had a trigger fire here on this pivot high, and so what I did was just draw a little trend line across on the chart and took the breakout of that pivot. And again, the breakout of that pivot came with another long entry signal firing off. My order in the market was 11,847. We were not filled. We got it filled at 11,848. My profit objective, 10 points. And our profit objectives are always put based on what our program entry price is. So, again, my program entry was 11,847. I put a sell order in at 11,857, and I was very fortunate. I got filled on that. It made 11,857. Hit that a couple of times. We were filled before price rolled over. We brought our stop back to break even. And just to let you know this too, only trading 2 contracts this morning because one is pre-holiday, but really the reason for that is price action and not a lot of volume in the market right now. So I'd made the determination to only trade 2 contracts. So 1 contract out, our actual profit on that one was plus 9 Dow points, and we were out at break even on our second contract. Then the second trade of the day came at about 7:10, and that was a short. Here we'd had price break down below the 89 exponential moving average. Our Hall moving average was also below, and our 89 exponential moving average had started to slant down, so all factors that would indicate a potential short. This was at the daily pivot area. In fact, these lows, 11,817, were about 6 points above the daily pivot. That's a daily pivot zone. It's an area I don't look at hard numbers when I'm looking at support and resistance levels. I'm looking at price zones. So that was definitely within the price zone that I was expecting some support. So once we bounced up off of that, we tagged this 89 exponential moving average. I was willing to take a short trade. But what I had also drawn in, and I don't know, let's see where this is. Here it is. I'd also drawn a line in, was looking at this level, 11,812, which was earlier before the market opened. That was a pivot swing point. So I was looking at as support, and if you scroll over these two bars even earlier in the morning, which came down, even though they had tails on it, that was really at that 11, 8, 12 area. So I'm only trading two contracts on this trade. So what I determined to do was to take one contract short here, and I got short one tick below this bar that formed with my entry signal. So I'm short. Well, I got short at 11,816, and then I had another sell order in the market at 11,811. So I didn't go short two contracts here. I split them up, shorting below the 11,817 bar here, and I had an order to short at 11,811, and that short was never filled. The market basically went sideways a little bit after the fill and then turned against us. My stop was above this little swing high here at 11,833, and that was hit at about 7:15. We were stopped out on that trade. Only one contract, though, but again, a loss, minus 17 ticks on our second trade of the day. Again, pre-market holiday trading, usually very tough to trade. You don't get a lot of market movement in either direction typically, and that's certainly what we were seeing today.